Beyond Software has the flexibility to enter expenses in two different ways. First way is through pending expenses. You may use this feature if you have the need to collect all your expenses and then parse them out later into different expense reports. For example, if you were traveling to sales calls to customers and you wanted to build those on different project numbers, you could accumulate all of your expenses all week, and at the end of the week you can slice and dice those detail lines and create several expense reports. So you would continue to add your detail lines by using the plus sign. You can sort your detail lines by date, category, project, or cost. Let's just do one by project. So you can see here we have two different projects. So if you wanted to submit a expense report by project, you could deselect it by this checkbox and then just select the lines for one project. You could click the submit icon and you would submit those expenses into a regular expense report. The second way you can enter expenses in Beyond is directly into an expense report. As in the other screens, you can sort the lines by date, description, total amount. You could filter. So for example, if you want to see your approved expense reports as well, you could choose that, and you can see it added another line for approved. You can add another expense report by clicking on the plus sign. You can see you have a submitted, a pending, and an approved expense report. If you wanted to submit the pending, you would click on that expense report and simply select submit. To view the detail lines on an expense report, you would select expenses, and then you would see all the detail lines. You can also attach your receipts, take a picture or attach them from a file right onto your expense report. So when you submit it for approval, your approver can look at all the detail right there together. Let's take a look at expense approvals. Expense approvals also has the sort features as other screens have. This is by resource, date, expense report, or by project. You can filter on your projects to include projects that you're the project manager of, or that you are the team leader. As in the other screen, you select the checkbox and then you can approve the selected expenses. You can also see that you can view the comments if you hover over the icon for the comments, and you can also see which ones actually have an attachment by the paperclip here. So if you wanted to go in and review the attachment or the comments before you approved it, you could do so. Beyond also has the two-step approval feature as in the time entry. That is, the first level approver can review and submit it, and then the second level approver then comes in and does the final approval. That's how easy it is to enter expenses and have them approved in Beyond Software.